It's okay to use a slow strap if you're paid by the hour. If you're paid by the foot, make money faster with the FastStrap. We all know that time is money, especially on the job. Unlike other clamping systems, the FastStrap was designed by an installer for wood and laminate flooring installation. The FastStrap features the following exclusive, versatile features. 25-foot glue-resistant strap for large rooms. A built-in removable tapping block makes it 2 tools in one. An adjustable elastic cord that provides instant tension and instant release. A slotted guide block for quick, easy adjustment of both length and tension. The FastStrap is easy to operate. After gluing your first 2 rows, place the wall plate over the first plank. Glue the third plank and place. Grasp the handle and stretch the power plate over the third plank. Press the release button and the tool automatically resets itself for the next plank. To continue, simply repeat this effective procedure for up to 25 feet. To change the amount of pressure exerted on the seams, simply pull the elastic cord out of the slot on the guide block and adjust the length. Shorter to increase pressure, longer to lessen pressure. To use the tapping block, grasp the handle with one hand and strike with a hammer. This will close any gaps that remain. The tapping block can also be used to close end joints. The FastStrap's instant clamping system does away with time-consuming ratcheting. Simply pull, place, and release. The FastStrap also solves the industry-wide problem of seam peaking due to over-compression of the joints. This quality tool is less expensive than most belt clamps on the market today. Get the job done easily, professionally, and quickly.